So you know, I know that there's a curfew and whatnot in New Jersey and whatnot, but I know that the curfew started already in Cali and whatever. I know San Francisco and shit, they just on lockdown, period. So, you know, yesterday, like, it's like 8:30 and whatever, and I'm trying to, like, I'm calling, I really wanted, Hillstones because I wanted a loaded baked potato, and to today I want a loaded baked potato, and I just ordered one. But yesterday I was calling mad restaurants trying to find some food, some grub for loaded baked potato, and I didn't find it. And let me tell y'all something, a bitch was fucking hangry, my nigga. I was so fucking hangry. I was so fucking mad, like, oh my God, like, so y'all dead just gonna, cause you know, like, I know that you cannot go to a restaurant and eat, but you know, I thought you could order and whatever, and it's like, why it says on the website, a lot of these restaurants were saying that they were closing at 10:30, they making orders at 10:30, but there was dead ass closed around 8 some shit, and I was so fucking mad, yo, like, I was so fucking pissed, like, but I had to end up fucking eating a salmon and mashed potatoes. And like the shit was good and whatnot. But the problem is that I ate that shit the day before. And I don't like to repeat my meals because whatever I crave, I gotta get it. And if I don't get it, I'ma crave it to the next day. So right now, I've been craving the baked potato. And I'm about to... Let's see. I got some foods. Hold on. All right, I got some food and whatnot. Let's see. Okay. All right. What is this? Is this that? No fucking... Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. So I saw on the menu fried chicken. I'm a little mad. So I saw on the menu fried chicken. I didn't know it was like fried chicken cutlet. This quarantine shit, like, no lie. Like, you know, like... Okay, guys. So... Like... I know y'all been seeing me trending talking about the coronavirus and whatnot, which, by the way, get the little remix on y'all streaming services and whatever. But no lie, I really been going through it. Like, I really been kind of fucked up in the head because I am the type, like, you know, y'all know that I read a lot of history and I watch a lot of documentaries and whatnot. And it's just like, I cannot help to think, like, what is the higher... Like, what is the people that is above the other people that is above is up to? You know what I'm saying? Like, this shit is crazy right here. And to know that the islands, like today, the Dominican Republic, starting tomorrow, they're going to close their borders. And I know it's going to start in Trinity. And I know they're going to start, you know, them Caribbean shits and it's just like, bro... I don't know what's going on. I be feeling like it's some type of new world order. I don't know, but it's just really fucking freaking me out. I am panicking. Like, I don't want to panic, but I am going to panic because at the end of the day, I feel like financially, everybody's going to be fucked up. And I don't know if y'all remember, I don't know if y'all read y'all books, but America got hit hard during the Great Depressions. Like, people was killing themselves because they lost everything. Every motherfucking thing at Wall Street. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know, like, it just gets me sad. And everybody's gonna take a little hit. You know what I'm saying? Thank God I got a little money to save for a rainy day. But everybody's gonna take hit. Even your favorite artists. Like, it's like, you know, we're not gonna be able to do shows and shit. Where the fuck we gonna do shows at? In OnlyFans? You know, it's gonna be, I don't even think we could do music videos right now. Because when you do music video, it's like a big production and whatever. And it's just hard. Like, it's like, fuck, you cannot even go out to eat. Like, it's like, well, we can go motherfucking outside. Where the fuck can we go? I'm tired. I fucked my man like 100 times. I don't got no more pussy to give him. That don't watch everything on Netflix. Like, this shit is driving me motherfucking insane. I can't even deal. Like, oh, I'm hyperventilating. I'm scared. I just want to cry. Seriously, shit is crazy, and it just gets me so mad because I know that, like, it's like if I'm going through it, I could only imagine like fucking single moms, people that are just getting laid off, whatever. And you know, they say if you go completely quarantine, the government, they're gonna bring you food and whatever the crap and whatnot. I really wanna. I spoke to an artist from Italy and whatever, but I just really want to get to the root of like how everybody is just dealing with it. Like, it's like I cannot imagine just being on 24-hour lockdown. Like, who gonna bring us food? And I am so picky when it comes to food. Oh, this isn't bad. It's kind of good. It's kind of good. Any hot sauce? Hold on. Give me 1 second, motherfuckers. Hold on, I made some hot sauce. Ain't got no hot sauce here? There's no hot sauce? Yo, I can't believe these motherfuckers ain't got no hot sauce up in there. Okay, there's no hot sauce. There's no hot sauce and shit, but this barbecue sauce will do. Okay. This will do the job. That's right. That's right. Oh, child. Oh, child. Shit. Anyways, I just cannot help to panic. Like, I'm just so fucking scared. And you want to know something? Let me tell you something. There is this YouTuber. Her name is Lovely T. Lovely fucking T. Yo, I swear to God. I swear, like 3 weeks ago, she was talking about this coronavirus. And you know, I heard about the coronavirus. Like, you see, I see what's going on in Wuhan, China. But you know, it seemed like it was really under control. And it just seemed like such a minor thing. But she kept saying like, this is gonna get big and everything. And I started asking her questions about it. And I'm like, yeah, whatever. So then, you know, Chicago, when I was in Chicago and whatever, more or less, from the club to the telly and All-Star weekends, you know, I'm a little drunk. I'm already about 3 Coronas in, and Offset, he's a little slumpy slump. So I'm scrolling through Instagram, and I see the Lovely T uploaded something about locusts, them little bugs and stuff invading Africa and whatever, and how it's spreading like in certain areas of Africa, and like we was just like, wow, Wow, and mind you, this was All-Star weekend. So this was like, I don't know, like 3 weeks ago or whatever the fuck. And you know, like, that was the first and last time I heard people talking about the locust thing. And all of a sudden people are talking about it now, and it's like, wow, she been talking about it, and it looks like it's the end of the fucking world. And I respect people's religion. I respect whatever you believe in, but I believe in the Lord, and I believe in Jesus Christ. My father is the father of Jesus Christ. Like, that's who my father is. And I feel like he put me in this position to tell you, because there's certain things that I don't want to fucking talk about, that like my conspiracy theories. I don't want to talk about it because, you know, I don't want nothing to do with that. But what I do want to talk to you about is believe in Jesus. Believe in God. Pray in God. God, please don't let the devil control this world. Please control it. You always control everything. Cause shit, I ain't gonna front. Like, I ain't the person to type panic and everything, but you know, I've been talking to people that have been alive for a long time. In the 80s, they said that this shit never fucking happened before, bitch. How do I go to the internet in this computer? I don't know how to use this fucking computer. Yeah! How the fuck I go to the internet? Fuck. This is some weird shit. I don't even know how to use this fucking mouse. What the fuck? When the computers became so fucking stuff like this? Weird like this. Hey! Come put some YouTube in my computer, please. I'm in the back. Yeah. Can you put YouTube on this computer? Cause I don't know how to fucking work this computer. And by the way, I'm on live. How do this stuff? Put the YouTube on.
What a thing.
I ain't done, guys. I'm not good at technology, and especially this big ass fucking computer with this mouse right here. This shit look like it's like one of them gear things from the car. How you? The YouTube.
What a thing.
Right here.
It's the mouse.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Where you gonna search at? This way right here?
No, I don't. I think that's a file.
Oh, you want to close it or you just want to put it down?
I just want to go to YouTube. That's all.
How the fuck? Where your internet thing at?
That's what I'm trying to find out. Let's go.
Start. Oh, yeah?
I don't know.
Let me see something real quick. If Pose had popped up there, here's some motherfucking one. You like, you know how when you go down?
Right here? Let me see. There's the App Store. What the fuck is that in there?
Google, is that Google right there?
Safari.
Yeah, there you go.
There you go. Okay. Almost there.
There you go, right there.
There we go. Yeah.
Right there. You good?
Yeah. I'm scared. I don't know how to use this. Hold on, let me wash my hands because... guys, talking about this, whatever the fuck, I lost my appetite. I can't even eat anymore. Like, look, I'm really shaking. Oh my gosh, like, you guys don't understand. Like, I don't know. You want to know why I'm panicking? I'm panicking because, like, I actually got something to live for. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got somebody to live for. Like, I look forward to the future because I want to see, like, my daughter, like, grow up. You know what I'm saying? Damn, I don't even know why I'm even talking about these type of things. You know what I'm saying? That's how fucked up I am. Like, and this shit is really freaking me out. I gotta think so much shit. Shit is crazy. Just when shit was going good for me. Shit was going motherfucking good. This goddamn coronavirus. Let me go wash my hands. Hold on. Hold on. Don't go nowhere. I'm just gonna wash my hands. Oh. Whew. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Ooh, it is so cold in here. It is brick. Like my nipples. I know y'all see them. They shooting. I'm cold. I like this song. I've been hearing these songs all day. I put the volume up. The volume is up. What up? This some motherfucking shit. I don't want to fuck this shit up. What the fuck is this? I fucking hate it here. I really fucking hate it here. I mean, what is this? I don't know. Oh, is it here? Do I hear it here? Yo! Where that white boy at? Yeah. How I put this thing up? It's already. Huh? I need to get me another phone so I could be able to play fucking music in another phone. This fucking pissed me off. Where him at? The white kid.
I don't know if it's CP. He came back.
Is it this? Is it this? Is it this? Is it this button? Is it this button? I don't know. I don't know. Damn! So how y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm bored as fuck. Ain't nowhere to go. What the fuck is that? Fuck. All right, guys. So there wasn't no baked potato, right? Fucking upset. This is why I don't like to order food out, because when I order food out, like, the food gets fucking cold. Look at the cheese on my potato. can't live like this. I really can't. Like, I don't know who the fuck. I need Obama's number right now. I need Obama's number right now. I know he's not a president, but I know he knows something. I need to know when am I gonna leave this misery? Because I cannot fucking live like this. Like me, I like to go out and sit down and eat. Like, I like to go shopping. I like to feel like I could go to places like... I'm so fucking upset. Yo, tag Obama and tell him I need to talk to him today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that? Is that really Offset? Look at it. Look at this. Oh my God, I'm scared. Babe, are you calling me? I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't understand it. How the fuck he did that? It's still there. I don't like technology. I don't know. Everything that's technology is connected with the government.
I was outside on the phone.
Oh, hey. Hi. Okay. How you put the music up? Because I've been trying to put the music. Wait, hold on. Don't put it too loud. Wait.
You should be good.
Wait.
Damn. What you using, bro? Looking for you too.
I found him.
Yeah, man. Oh, wait. Where'd you go? How'd you do that with nails? You brave.
Who that calling me?
Oh,
That's calling you? Yeah. Oh, your phone is connected to the computer?
Hell yeah.
Wow. How you did that?
iCloud. Shit hard.
Upwork has the world's largest network of proven independent professionals. It's like having a go-to graphic designer right here. Oh, I like the green one.
You know what's fucking me up? Is this fucking mouse. That's what's fucking me up. It got like...
Let me get a regular one I got.
This mouse right here don't make no sense. This shit... This Okay, we got. All right, guys. I got him. Can y'all see me? Oh, so now they put the regular mouse, because this one right here, like, come on now, y'all, like, this shit right here look like one of them things that's in a fucking Lambo or something that you move the. Oh, this one moved to. Oh shit. Like, come on now, how the fuck y'all expect me to know how to work this shit? Come on now. The fuck? Oh, guys, I'm going through it. Guys. I'm really going through it. Like, what am I supposed to fucking do out here? What am I supposed to do? I don't have no family out here. Like, I don't have no fucking family. Like, all my family, all of my family, every single one of them, from my mother to my father's side, everybody lives in New York. Everybody lives in New York or Jersey or PA or Connecticut. I don't know nobody out here. Like, I am so fucking bored. I fucked this nigga so many times. I don't got no more pussy to give him. Like, I really don't have no more pussy to give him. Even though I could fuck today again. I really can. And like I just been recording every single fucking day, but goddamn, my bitch need a little fucking. I need a break. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like. Shit, I can't. I really can't. I can't. I'm so scared. I'm scared. I don't know where I want to quarantine at. Oh, shit, I'm so fucking scared. I don't like this. I really need to. I've been like this the whole fucking day. Can y'all believe this shit? I've been like this the whole fucking day. Like, these motherfuckers got me scared. I need to know what's going on. If you work at the fucking Pentagon, let a bitch know. Because I need to fucking know, nigga. I need to fucking know, nigga. I don't know if you could tell, but I'm losing my fucking mind. I want to get dressed up. I want to put a fucking lace front on. I want to put my fucking expensive outfits. And I want to go fucking out. And I can't. Because where am I going to go out? Where am I going to go out? How about if I put a fucking outfit out? Where am I going? To the internet? To the internet? Woo! I'm going through it, bitch. I'm losing my motherfucking medulla. I wonder what Hennessy's doing. She's probably having fun. Jesus Christ. This coronavirus. I just don't understand. Like, who the fuck saw this coming? 2019, it was like 80% good to me. Like, you know what I'm saying? It was like 80%. It wasn't like it wasn't like a bad year, but it wasn't like a spectacular. It was like a cool year. You know what I'm saying? It was like a grown-up year. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was like a grown-up year for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just expected so much for 2020. Like, bad things always come. You always think that bad things gonna come, but I never fucking saw this shit right here coming. I never saw this shit. Bitch, God said surprise. So I'm telling y'all need to stop. Y'all need to start believing in the higher. He's bigger than us. He's bigger than us. And God want us to know. God want us to know. This shit is so scary. What I did? Why this shit so fucking hard to open? Like, god damn, they taped this shit. Yeah. Nothing that I hate the most than fucking a Caesar dressing that tastes like fucking mayonnaise. You ever taste the Caesar dressing that is like mayonnaise-ish? I hate that shit. This one is not like... I like my Caesar dressing to taste, but it has like too much olive oil. Now that I just tasted it, it has too much olive oil, but it doesn't taste like fucking mayonnaise. I hate mayonnaise. It's not that I hate mayonnaise. It's just like... It's not that I don't hate... I'm just not a mayonnaise person. But like, I would put like a little bit on my sandwiches, but not a lot.
Hi, Scott Murray, Level 5 Tools. I wanted to do a series of videos here just to get...
Ah! Ah! No. Let me see your fucking crusty ass. Let me see ya. What y'all talking about over here? Nonsense. Whole lot of nonsense. I'm so fucking bored. I can't. It's been 2 days, but I just can't. Like the paranoia. Me watching all these movies about these fucking sicknesses and shit. Like, that shit got me fucked up. You know what I'm saying? They got... And this is why people gotta save money for a fucking rainy day. A lot of you bitches was saving money for these Chanel bags. Bitch. Y'all better say that shit. Cause, yeah. I don't fucking know. No. Some weird shit going on. I'm not really scared of the coronavirus. Even though I should, because a bitch got asthma. I'm just scared of going through recession worldwide. running out of food. Everybody been stocking up and buying mad food. I'm scared that niggas run out of fucking food. I'm scared that they ban domestic traveling and shit. Shit is crazy. Even when things get back to normal, it's really not gonna be back to normal because motherfuckers have lost a lot of money. Can't even turn up no more. I'm sad again. I'm sad. Thank God I don't smoke. If I was to smoke, I would go crazy. This salad got me feeling like I'm a fucking rabbit. What your hoes up to? Let me see if I know somebody in here. The fuck is that? Oh, this one. I'm really bad at technology, you guys. I'm really bad at technology. Ah, shit. What the fuck? Why nobody that I know is popping up? And shit whack. Oh, no. I'm gonna have my engineer. Yeah, let's see what the fuck this motherfucker up to. Let me see if my engineer is gonna go. Don't you're making me wait for too long. You're making me in my face. Oh, there you go. Everyone, I'm so sad.
Don't be sad.
I am sad because, like, what the fuck? I'm working on these fucking songs and I might not even be able to do a fucking video.
Now we're gonna get it. We're gonna make all the hits at this time.
I don't know. Just not even that. I want to go to New York. After that movie that we saw yesterday, you ain't scared?
Yeah, I was scared.
I was scared, right?
I was watching a whole bunch of movies.
What movie you watch?
I finished watching Pandemic.
Oh, yeah? That shit was too boring for me. I couldn't deal.
I took the whole day to watch it.
I think I got that thing. What you call that shit when I can't really focus on something? What's that called?
ADHD.
I think I got that.
No, you got like ADHD times 3.
Me? That's what I'm saying. Like, I cannot focus on things. If I don't like something, I cannot focus on it. Like, my mind, let me tell you something. My mind is always racing or something. So it's just like, you know what I'm saying? Like, so F question, right?
Okay.
Out of all the songs that we made,
yeah,
which one you think it should be the next one?
Keep it real with you. You know which one my favorite, but I'm gonna say all of them right now. We got good.
But your favorite.
I'm gonna go with Check.
I like Chuck too.
I'm going with Check.
Niggas ain't, man, that shit dead.
Wait
on me, you see how the last bitch dead. Can't wait.
What you eating?
I'm eating a fucking salad because I ordered fried chicken, right? Because the menu said fried chicken, but I didn't know it was gonna be a fried chicken cutlet. So you know it's good and everything, but it don't have this. I don't got no hot sauce here. Like out of everything, there's no hot sauce in this house. So you know I gotta eat my chicken with hot sauce and honey. And
now you need some seasoning. You need some flavor on that.
yeah, so that. And then I ordered some mashed potatoes with cheese so I could put the sour cream on top because they don't have the baked potato.
That's
But you
crazy.
know,
Where
yes,
you
man,
order that from?
food over here and whatnot. And look how my fucking mashed potato look like.
That's mashed potatoes?
Yeah.
That's crazy. What's that, cheese on top? Or what is
Yes, yes. That's why I don't like this eating out shit. That shit gets me fucking.
You gotta put it in the oven.
You know I am too lazy. You know I do. It's just not the same, man. Just a fucking.
You're crazy.
I'm just really sad. Guys, F is like one of my really, really, really good friends. He's my engineer. He hears me fucking putting thoughts together because I write my shit too. You know what I'm saying? But right.
Don't go crazy
When I
over there.
write good shit, I gotta be in my fucking bag.
That's a fact.
I be even talking to myself in the studio because I gotta get in my bag. I gotta get in my fucking character.
Watch, I'm gonna get that camera. We're gonna make a documentary. We gotta film it.
I know, but you know I don't like fucking filming myself all the time because you know what I'm saying? Like sometimes I just be looking fucked up.
Yeah.
And you know, sometimes I be talking shit. Sometimes
Yeah, but people love that. Your fans love that.
Huh?
Your fans love that.
Yeah, we'll see. Let me see that.
Be careful.
Organic hot sauce.
It's peppers and vinegar. What do you want? That's all.
Organic.
It's habanero. This shit gonna make you cry and shit. It's good.
That's Max?
What's up, man?
Max gotten some motherfucking organic hot sauce.
Nah, you need some Red Devil. Or at least Tabasco.
At least Tabasco. Let me.
That's crazy. There's no Chipotle over there. Go take a Chipotle hot sauce. This is crazy.
This is crazy. This is so fucking sad. I wanted to get fucking lipo. I wanted to get some fucking lipo. And now I can't.
Shit, I gotta get in the gym. We're gonna get in the gym. We're gonna grow it naturally.
Boom. All right, Ev, I'll talk to you later.
All right, hit me.
I don't know how to turn it off.
I'm trying to do it right now.
Me neither. Shit, I might just see you fucking later. We got no choice. Fucking finish that shit from fucking yesterday. Is this a damn song? I think this is a song. It's one thing. Coronavirus. Who gonna wait? Who gonna dance to this song? Who gonna get on my Instagram and dance to this song? I gotta see yes. Now, bitch, if you can fucking tap that pussy, you're not invited. Who gonna dance to this song? I've seen yes, but I'm not sure if y'all talking about yes or y'all talking about like yes. I want to get on your live. No, I'm not dancing because I get shy when it comes to y'all motherfuckers. Ooh, that was a bad lettuce. Hey, Beverly. I want to be in live. I don't know. That's the thing, though. It gotta be like. I'll put you on it. I'll put you on. Oh shit! Why am I touching the mouse? Let me put Daily Dog. Okay, I found you. 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 I
Oh, I knew you was
found.
gonna do
Ah!
it.
This nigga came online with the mask on.
I
Oh
was
shit!
ready.
You ready? All right,
Put
hold
it
on.
on.
Max, 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 hunty.
I ain't got the gloves. I was gonna put the gloves on and stuff, you know, had the Lysol spray.
Wait, hold on. Wait, because I'm trying to put. How you put this up?
That red knob right there.
The red knob.
Above
Okay.
the potato.
Okay. Can you hear it? You ain't give it to the girls. You ain't give it to the girls.
I ain't
You ain't
twerking,
give it to
girl.
the girls.
Let one of the girls come on here and twerk.
Do you got girls live there?
No, I ain't got girls in here.
Let me. Shit, what the fuck, man? I need to put a fucking case on this shit so this shit can.
I'm crying.
I look good.
Oh, I'm tired. I'm
All right.
tired.
So let me go find somebody else.
I'm gonna get off there.
Somebody said I'll twerk. All right. Whew. Cow. I lost it. Ooh, let me see if I find this girl that she could really fucking dance. How I don't even know if she's in here. I don't even know if she's gonna be in here because she could fucking dance. So that was Daily Tea Talks, guys. Whatever. I really don't see nobody. Where the fuck is you motherfuckers at? This is my Dominican friend. Let me see my Dominican friend. Oh, he's not even there anymore. I can't breathe. Shit. Oh, it's not even letting me put people on anymore. Ah! It's not even letting me add people. Hold on. It's not letting me add people no more. Oh, the devil. Shit. All right, guys. Well, I'm about to log off. I hope you guys have a good fucking night. Shit. You wanna know what I need to start doing? I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna start reading the Bible again. You wanna know what I'm saying? Because the last time I read the Bible, I was like 9 years old and 8 years old for Sunday school. I'm gonna read the Bible again so I could refresh my memory, because the Bible always got some real shit. And I think we should all start doing that now, just cause. But I'm really gonna start doing it because, like I said, last time I read the Bible, I was like in when I was a little girl, when I was in Sunday school. But I know I got God with me. I know he loves me. I know he knows that I'm crazy. I'm not a perfect person, but I feel him. I feel him in my heart. And sometimes he reveals himself. He just let me know that I'm here. Even when I feel like I'm getting punished by God, like he just lets me know that he's punishing me, and it's just he's gonna get me out, time out. You know what I'm saying? Like that's how I see God. I see him as my father. Like when things are going wrong, I be saying, I'm like, God, what did I do wrong? Like, what type of bad thoughts did I had in my head? Like, I'm sorry. He's just probably mad at all of us, y'all. Anyways, guys, I love you guys. Thank you for joining my live. Enjoying quarantine. Bye.